The punch passes through the die to cut metal. Over time, the punch will dull, no longer cutting cleanly, and possibly causing metal to wedge between the punch and the die. Occasionally, the hardened punch will break in two. Replacing the punch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nut that secures the die holder. With the nose piece removed, now I can remove the punch. The punch is secured with a screw. Now I can replace the punch. I'll align the recess at the top of the punch with the screw in the holder. And then I'll tighten the screw. Now I can reinstall the die holder and die assembly. And secure it with the nut. And that's how you can replace the punch in your nibbler. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.